Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a quick delicacy which your kids would love to relish, and this yummy recipe can be made in a cooker, oven, kadhai or a bagona. So I am using here a kadhai, and just like you preheat the oven, you need to preheat the kadhai as well. I'm not putting in any salt or water in the kadhai, it's just the pan. And taken 3 Parle-G biscuits and 2 packs of hide and seek biscuit. You can take any kind of chocolate biscuit you like. We need to grind these biscuits into a powder. Biscuits are completely grinded and have formed a powder. Grinding the biscuits, we need to add half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. To make the cake batter, you need to add milk. So I've taken half cup of milk each time. You don't need to mix the milk all together at once. I have taken 2 cups of milk and I've divided it in half cup each time. And then I've mixed it well to make a batter. After the batter is ready, you can add choco chips or dry fruits as well. However, I have not added any because I wanted it to be as is. This is the consistency of batter we require. We do not need very liquidy batter. So now we will transfer the batter into the mold, or if you do not have a mold, you can use a bowl as well, which I have used here. Do not overfill the bowl, keep it half as the cake would rise to double its level. We would bake the cake on medium flame for 40 to 45 minutes. Once the cake is ready, you can check through a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean after pricking the cake, then the cake is ready. Our cake is completely baked. The toothpick as well has come out clean. Now we'll tap the cake a little. This cake is super soft, tasty and spongy. You can serve this cake hot with vanilla ice cream or cool it down and relish it with Nutella frosting as well. This is how our cake looks after the Nutella frosting is done. Do enjoy this cake and let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Till then, toodles!